Welcome to the Blockchain Report, where we discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Today's video, we're diving into the Haven1 journey on Galaxy. This is the time to conquer the Web3 space, claim exclusive oats, and partner up together or power up together. Join the Rect Resistance, and Haven1 is a Rect resistant EVM layer 1 blockchain engineered to address the critical challenges of security and liquidity in Web3. So Rect, that does mean wrecked, like getting your funds stolen, scammed, whatever, getting wrecked. That's what that means. It doesn't mean anything different, but I looked into it. So this is interesting. They want to be able to prevent you from getting hacked, scammed, and rug pulls. So this is a pretty cool project to keep on your radar. We covered this many months ago, but they are coming closer and closer to their mainnet launch. So we're going to dive in on this Galaxy campaign and see what requirements we need to go through in order to get this on-chain achievement token, which could be an eligibility for their airdrop. So we will dive into that and more. But before we get started, thank you so much for joining. Please like, subscribe, comment, share this out to anyone you think would be interested in blockchain technology, all the fun stuff we get to learn, and cool rewards we earn along the way, like these oats, on-chain achievement tokens that you can mint and be eligible for the airdrop. So complete registration, complete your identity verification, and you will be part of the Rect Resistance. If you do need any help or have any questions about these quests or campaigns, or have video recommendations, whatever the case may be, jump in the Discord. Link is down below. Get in here, go to the rules and guidelines, go down, click the thumbs up, and you'll have access to all these amazing channels. Got a lot with the testnets, blockchain adventures. I need to add one more for Superboard, chats, signals and news. We got all kinds of good stuff, so get in there, ask your questions, and we'll do my best to get back to you. But everyone in there has been pretty amazing, so I appreciate all of you so much. And with that, let's get into the Rect Resistance. So what do we got to do? Go to Galaxy, and there's other tasks in this, or other quests in this campaign. So Road to Mainnet, these two have ended. So all we can do now is get this Supernova award. So, and then this next one hasn't started yet. So if you refer someone to the Haven1 Testnet. So let's check this out and see what we got to do. First, follow their page right here. And that's a requirement. And then visit the page. So just click on this and it'll take you to this page. And you can register and fill out the KYC, and then we'll complete registration on the Haven1 Testnet, which you'll click that and it'll take you to this wonderful page. So join the testnet. And I did this back before my main wallet got hacked. So I have to do this over again. So this will be good to go through the onboarding. So let's see, connect our wallet, connect my email address. I don't want to get spammed. So we're signing up. Oh, okay. I'll use a different one. There we go. Always have multiple email addresses. Multiple. Okay. Connected email address. So referral code. Once I finish signing up, I'll give you one. Let's see. Business. Or let's do individual right now. Palau. Because I am a official resident of Palau. I have identification. Okay. Complete your KYC. Let's see what we got to do for this. So complete anonymized identity verification to collect your Haven1 passport. You own and control your identity data. It's encrypted and will never be shared without your explicit consent. Your on-chain transactions remain anonymous and cannot be linked to your identity unless you choose to share it with an application. Okay, here we go. And do this at your own discretion if you want to do this or not. We're going to mint our H passport. We'll connect. Account type, do individual, Palau. Nationality, America. Okay, so you need to do a face scan, an ID scan. So prepare to verify. And yeah, for best experience, use your smartphone. So we are going to use my phone right here. I'm going to start verification. Let's see if I can snap with my smartphone. And then you'll take your camera and scan the QR code, and it should pull up. Whoop, it should pull up something like that. Grant permission. Allow access to your camera. It took a minute for the camera to face scan complete. Now, national ID. So do your national ID. It'll ask you. Documents have uploaded. Okay. So please allow up to 24 hours for the process to be complete. Finish. And So finish. Documents submission have been accepted. Please allow up to 24 hours. Nice. Very nice. Okay, so while we wait for that, let's check this out. So here's the dashboard. We got swaps, we got bridge, we got stake. So let's check out faucets, because the first thing we need is testnet tokens. So this is our receiving wallet address. Let's claim some USDT, Sepalia ETH. There's the testnet. You can get Sepalia ETH from Alchemy or the Sepalia faucet. All right, we got our USDT. Now let's check out the bridge. Sepalia to Haven1. Next, select the token. Let's send 5. Review. Okay, now that we bridged some USDT over, let's check out Avalanche Fuji if we have any tokens here. Okay, so if you have any tokens here, I'll bridge over however many that you want. I'm just doing this. If you don't have any, then we can just go to swap right here. Oh, and this is the faucet for testnet tokens. Yeah, that's after so Haven swap. Let's check it out. Switch the network. We haven't gotten any tokens on the network yet, so let's go back. Bridge is still going on, but we got that, and there's only one token that we can send over. Let's see, do I have any money for gas? I guess I do. Interesting. Yeah, let me know if you get if you have any gas. No, see, yeah, I don't think I have okay, so this is the testnet faucet, right? In the portal right here, faucets testnet H1. That will open up this page. Sign in, and this will get H1 tokens, so that way we can make the swaps. There we go. I was wondering where you get the testnet tokens from, but it's the portal right here. Yes, view all apps. So now we can go back here to the swaps. Now that we have our tokens, yes, right here, H1. So let's swap now that we have, you want to make sure that you see the H1 token balance right here. Let me see if I can zoom in. Yeah, so it's balance. There you go. Let's swap some HUSDT for some of this USDC. So this is a really cool concept to have a rect-free blockchain. You know, as much as you can prevent that, I don't know how, but there you go. You made your swap, and you can migrate to V2. Goes out of here. We'll connect our wallet, custom Haven1. Boom. We'll check out the fees. Oh, wow. Look at the fees on that. Woo! That's a ginormous fee. Okay, there we made our swap. Now let's go back to the portal and let's stake some of our tokens. Switch network. Let's just put 2 in there. Application fee, nothing. All right, H1 has been staked. You can track your ES H1, earn higher rewards and voting power. You can add it to your wallet if you want. You can see whatever your balance is. Lock staking. You can go over here to lock or down there, and this will lock your ES H1 for higher rewards, and you will get voting power for governance. So mine is not showing up yet, but that's okay. Go to flexible. There we have it in there. Oh, to unstake, you need 2.33. Lock staking. Let's see. Let's try it here. Let's put some H1 in here and it'll convert it for us. Okay, let's do 6 months. And we will confirm the transaction. Now stake. Ooh, my tokens will be unlocked May 28th, 25. You can extend or increase the amount. So there you go. Now you can go vest. If you have any ES H1, you can vest it. Go to governance. So now starting in 2 days, ongoing price prediction. Let's check this out. So let's see, voting power. Okay, the snapshot was taken already. So you had to have a certain amount before this date, the 24th of November. So let's check out one of these other ones starting in 2 days. Okay, so voting power, you definitely want to have it before the start. So this video will go out after the date, but just check back here and see what will be starting soon, and you can participate in those. But here, once you're able to participate, you can come and vote for or against. And then your NFTs, check these out. Oh, and your proof of identity. There you go. So all this fun stuff, Haven1, make sure that you check back. You can set up 2-factor authentication. You can also stake your Ethereum, but this is on Mainnet, so keep that in mind. Don't. So yeah, Haven1, keep it on your radar. And if you can and feel comfortable with KYCing on this, go ahead and do that, because it could give you a little bit more chances for the airdrop. And also come in here and do some of the swaps and create liquidity pair. So just put like an equal amount of each one of these assets in and approve and supply, and that will give you more activity on this testnet. So yeah, come play around. Request testnet tokens every day from the faucet. Remember, it's up here in the testnet faucet. So I'll post links to my referral. I'll post the referral link and this other stuff as well. So yeah, my referral, and as soon as you join here, you should be able to go here and go to the testnet faucet, and that way you'll get your tokens for the H1 testnet and not just Ethereum Sepolia. So there you go, Haven1, check it out, get your tokens, start swapping, start staking, and get KYC. But if you have any questions, comments, need any help, please jump in the Discord. Link is down below. And with that, this is the Blockchain Report. Have a wonderful day, homies. Peace.